Right, straight in with a pick. I'm going to tension the opposite way to which I'm picking in case we encounter some spool pins. To pick this lock I've got 4 picks. I've got a souber pick, which is a double-ended one. That one. And that one. I've got a modified dongshi, honest dongshi. The second one, which is a little bit thinner. And an unmodified one, which comes in really handy. Let's just start with the souber pick. Nothing on 1, 2, 3 is our first binder. 1, 2, little false set. 2 we touched and it went into a little false set. 1 and 2 outer is set. Trying to get under 3, which is giving us some struggles. We're there. 4, little click. 5, set as well. So I'm going to swap up the picks and we're going to go after inner pins. 1 was a click. Nothing on 2. Click off 3. Click off 4 and 5. Now I'm on the unmodified one. Hard to get under 4 though. Back to the souber pick. Give each pin a chance to give us some feedback. 2, 3 I touched, I got a false set, or a deeper false set. 4, sorry. I think the inner on 4 needs setting, but I just can't get to it yet. Trying to get to 5. Click. Two's reset. That was number 5 at the back. think it's time to swap and literally just aim for inner pins. That was inner on 5. Under the inner on 3, 4. Swap them to the unmodified pick. Sometimes you can set the outer and the inner pin together. Let's just give that another go. Right, now fell into a deep falset now, which means we're probably stuck on 1 or 2 out the inner pins. So we'll just check 1, nothing on 2, 3, I think it's 4. Where you little bugger? Nothing on 1, 2, 3. There you are, that's that one picked. We're going to see if we can get it gutted as well. So, buzzing with that. Put that down there. We do have the key. Let's just get centered on. So yeah, a difficult little pick, but we got there in the end. I have got the key, so that's getting locked back up. 1 click out. Could have done with my circlip remover being here, but I don't know where I've put it. Sure, that'll just come off. He said with such confidence. Snapped it, nearly popped my eye out, that did. Jesus. So yeah, right. Now, so the locks that he sent us, I think these were for the giveaways for the LSA group. So Locksport Anonymous, if you're not a part of that, come and join us. It's all the links are in the description below. He gave us them. He sent us this Bassy lock, which I'd never really heard of before, to be honest with you. But it's got an elephant on the front. Get it to focus, which I'm having trouble with. Lovely key. Nice bitten. And a bucket to pick. Oh, check out these things. Titanium plug followers. Look at the finish on those. Beautiful. 1, is that 1, 2, 3 and 4. So John, honestly mate, thank you very much for them. You're an absolute star, and hopefully I'm going to use them now. Let's work out where the pins are with this. This is probably going to be a blag, this is like, but we'll see. Don't know whether which ones to use. thanks John for all the stuff again, mate. You're an absolute gem. Just as a zoom in, that's the pins. And looking at the tops of all of these pins, these are all serrated. If I can drag one out, I'll give you a close-up at the end, because otherwise the video will drag on. So yeah, buzzing with that, and absolutely buzzing with that actually. There's some pins there. So yeah, please like, subscribe and leave your comments, and I shall see you on the next one. Bye for now.